nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills, and plains repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat, repeat the sounding joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders, wonders of his love.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Woo!
It's Christmas time!
It's Christmas time!
It's Christmas
Yay!
time!
There's snow and lights
And a hungry stomach.
Yeah,
I
and a
just
hungry
growled.
stomach.
Did you hear that? I went.
No, I can't hear your stomach, but
Yeah.
I'm sorry you're hungry.
Yeah.
Maybe you could cover your tummy like this so no one can hear it.
Okay, I'll try
Okay.
my best.
Mm-hmm.
But then I don't know if I can sing.
What
are we singing?
Oh.
It's a Christmas song.
We are
right?
singing a very, very joyous song. Yeah.
I'm super
Are
excited.
you dead? Oh wait, what if I do the robot?
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. Wow. Actually, we're better at that than I thought we would be. Right?
You're funny.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not saying we're good, but
Yeah, you're pretty good.
yeah, that's pretty fun.
Yep.
Nice. Okay, well, we are singing Joy to the World. Yeah, Joy to the World.
Yay, because it's our happy holiday season and we're going through all of the Christmas songs. Well, not
Yeah.
all of them, but most of them.
No, there are so many Christmas songs.
Yeah, we selected the best.
Yeah. But we really, really wanted to do this one because we wanted there to be joy for us and joy for you kids out there.
Exactly.
Yeah, joy for the whole world. We
Yep.
think that would be so nice.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Because it'd be nice, really, if everybody was joyous the whole year round, but
Yep.
especially at Christmas time.
Yes,
Why
yes,
not?
yes.
It's just a good
Exactly.
reminder. Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So,
that's why we're going to sing to you Joy to the World.
joy to the world.
Woo!
Woo! Should we sing
Okay.
it?
Yeah, let's sing it.
All right, let's start.
1, 2, 2. Oh, maybe I should tune us in.
Oh, yeah, tune us in, please. Ah, joy. Okay.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Okay. 1, 2,
2,
3. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature
Should we
sing.
just do that part? I always get that wrong. Let every...
Let every heart prepare him
got
room.
it, okay.
You know how
Let
all the German
every
songs do like a
heart-
lot of notes?
Yeah.
This one does that.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
It's probably a German song.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't think so. It's based on an old hymn.
Yeah.
Hmm,
Okay.
Maybe it's a German
I'm
hymn.
sorry.
No one knows.
I'm sorry.
You're
I'm
sorry?
sorry for messing up.
Oh, that's okay. I mess up all the time.
Yeah, that's true too.
Okay.
Okay, ready.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills, and plains repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the... Did I mess it up?
Yeah, isn't it joy to the world, the Lord is coming, and he rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove
He rules the
The
He rules the
glories of
world.
his righteousness and wonders of his love.
Hey, wait. Do it again. I thought that's what I was doing, so I don't know.
So it's like, joy to the world, the Lord is come. He rules the world with truth and grace.
Oh, yeah. Yep, I did it wrong.
You kind of went into the chorus.
Yeah, I did the.
Dun, 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 dun,
Yeah. Okay, let's try. Sorry, I just was really excited about changing notes on all of the words. Apparently,
Yeah.
this is. I'm much better at the joy to the world part than the rest of it.
Yeah, we could just sing that one over and over
We
and
could.
over and over again.
We'd sound really good doing that.
Yeah, why don't we do that?
Okay, well,
Okay.
look, let's sing the last verse at least once, right? Or no?
Let's sing the whole song at least once.
Oh, I can't guarantee I'll get it right when we get there if I have to sing all the other ones first. Okay, wait, hold on.
Let's
hold
just
on.
try.
So it goes. He rules joy to the world. He rules the world with truth and grace.
Yep.
And
No
makes
more.
the nations prove. Okay. Yep, let's go from the top, yeah?
Okay.
1, 2.
Wait. And you got the third one there too? Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. No more let sins and sorrows grow.
No more let sins and sorrows grow. Yeah, apparently I'm not that good at the very first line, which is surprising because the first one should be the easiest.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
what we can do is joy to the world, the Lord is come. Hurt nor thorns infest the ground. Should we just do that? I don't know. We shouldn't.
Let's try it and see if I can do it this time.
Okay.
And then we'll take it from there, maybe.
And sorrows
I'll just go a little quieter on that part and listen to you.
Ooh, that
Yeah?
might be dangerous, but okay.
Well, it sounds like you at least know what it's supposed to be.
Okay, I'll
Yeah.
try my best.
Okay, let's try. Okay.
Let's do it again. Here. La, joy.
Joy.
Okay?
Okay, I'm ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rock hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. No more let sins and sorrows grow, nor thorns infest the ground. He comes to make his blessings flow, far as the curse is found, far as the curse is found, far as the curse is found. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations groove. The glories of his righteousness and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love.
Well, I guess we're just gonna do the last one for you.
Yeah, we should. I got the third one this time though.
You did perfectly.
Yeah, so I did
I
a
almost
little bit
messed
better,
that one up.
and then
Okay, why don't we just do the last two?
yeah, let's just do the last two. Okay.
Okay.
Joy
Ready?
to the world. Okay.
No
more
joy to the world. So
No more let sins and sorrows grow, nor thorns infest the ground. He comes to make his blessings flow, far as the curse is found, far as the curse is found, far as the curse is found. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love.
woo!
Yay!
Joy to the world!
Joy to the world!
To all of you!
Yeah, to all of you guys. Wow, that song is really, really fun, and then it's kind of like the first few verses are really easy, but then when they change it up, it makes makes it hard for me.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
I guess because the first two always start with joy to the world, and that's what we remember, and that's what we just hear the whole time.
Yeah.
But then the other lines start with no more, and then the other one he rules, and
He rules.
It's the joy to the world. It's the catchiest. It's like,
and I feel like maybe if there was like an exclamation, because it says joy to the world, and then it's got an exclamation point, but the other one, when it says he rules the world, it doesn't have an exclamation point. And I feel like if it was he rules the world, nope, say it wrong again too.
Yeah.
Joy to the world, he rules the world with truth and grace. Yeah. If I just have an exclamation point in my mind, that would help.
Okay. Exclamation point.
Shoop. Boop. Boop. Yeah. Boop. Wow. But did you guys have fun singing that song?
Yeah, did you learn it too?
Yeah. I would say it's a very good lesson to know that we don't always have to get things right the first time.
That's
Sometimes
true.
you have to try multiple times, especially with a song like this one. This is a really good song, and I think a lot of people know it, but it's also it's kind of a little bit more difficult than some of the other songs we do. Like
It is.
This is way harder than Old MacDonald, for instance, right?
But we're here to teach you how to sing it, and sometimes it's just good to make mistakes so you can practice and practice and practice and practice and practice, because you know, all those sing-along songs that you hear, it sounds like perfect, and it's just like here we're going to show you how to make mistakes and how to make it right.
But even the people that do sing-along songs that sound perfect, they spent a lot of time learning those songs, guys.
Exactly.
Yeah, they work really, really hard.
Yep. So we hope that you will stay on for our sing-along version, so you can practice and practice and practice some more. And if you need pointers, just watch us right here, making all the mistakes.
Yeah, especially because she'll do the whole thing, and all the way through, it all sounds good, instead of the mistakes that I accidentally made.
Yeah.
Oops.
That's okay.
See,
It
I started out the video, and I said that I make mistakes all the time, and then I guess I just had that in my mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes
That's
you gotta
okay.
believe in yourself, and then you'll do a little better, huh?
But that's why we have our special singer who always shows us the way.
Yay! Wonderful. Great.
Okay, kids.
All right. Well, thank you guys for coming.
Yeah, thanks for watching Dream Again, and we wish you a happy holiday.
Yeah, happy holidays. Joy to you.
Yeah, joy to you and joy to the world, and happy holidays to you all.
Yay,
Bye.
see you guys. Bye. Have fun. Bye.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills, and plains repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love.
Okay.
Woo, that was difficult for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know why.
You should practice some more.
Yeah,
I'm gonna make some
that's
music.
fair. Could you please make me a cocacino?
Oh yeah, I'll make a cocacino.
Thank
Two
you.
shots?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay, I'll do that.
I like the cocoa. Okay.
I'll see you later.
See you later. No more let. Joy to the world. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his right. Oh, the glories of his righteousness. If I do the first part right, I'm getting the second part wrong. Okay. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. That's the best verse anyways, let's be honest. bye guys! Have fun!
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us. Thanks!